Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto, or welcome to the channel if you're new, and welcome to another update on Ordinals. All right, was needed. Made a video yesterday. I'm not even sure what I said yesterday. I think I said yesterday my main price target was $65. So I think I was correct. But right now, I've also said this in a different video, but I'm making like 13, 14 videos a day while also trading full time and doing some other stuff. So I'm not sure anymore, but I think, I mean, yesterday what we saw is that Ordinals was still very bullish if you looked at the momentum. All right, so that's also what we'll take a look at right now, because right now it has changed a bit, but yesterday it still was super bullish. So what we said is that it was most likely that it would continue, so break above $55, which was the main resistance yesterday, and then rally up. I mean, you can see Ordinals, it's pretty clear. It just finds resistance close to like 34, 35, 44, 45, 54, 55. So 64, 65 was my next price target. All right. Sometimes it's easy like that. So that has also happened. But since then, we've actually had a bit of a pullback, and that's interesting. All right, because, well, yesterday we talked about different reasons for why Ordinals would be bullish. It obviously has a lot to do with Bitcoin being bullish. There's also a bit of hype around Ordinals, like the real Ordinals, the Bitcoin blockchain inscribed Ordinals. And I must say that I also think that there's quite a bit of manipulation going on here. All right, and I think most of you will agree with me. All right, because with all of the hype in the world, getting a volume of about $1.55 billion is not normal. So now the big question is well, is that manipulation ending? And is Ordinals now going to crash? Now that we've also seen, and you could have already seen that a little bit, but now that we've also seen a big pullback in open interest. And it's a good question. It's a difficult question whether Ordinals will crash right now. And I think it depends on the technicals, because the open interest, sure, it has dropped down quite significantly, but it's down to the same levels it was yesterday at these same price targets. So we did get a bearish breakout as well below $55, which Ordinals broke above yesterday. But now I still do think, because if you technically look at the price, Ordinals still has a ton of support around $45, and even lower, like at $43. There's just so much support here that I'm not willing to count Ordinals out. I still think at this moment there's a chance that Ordinals recovers and goes even higher. And the next price target, I mean, obviously would be 74, 75, which at this point of time is also strengthened by this blue line, which is some sort of a Fibonacci extension level. So that's strong as well. To me, it all depends. I would say, to delete all of these colors from the chart, I would say the strongest levels around Ordinals right now are $44 and $55. And what we're waiting for right now is a breakout. All right, if Ordinals is able to retake $55 as support, I expect it to reach $65 again, and probably $75 afterwards. But if Ordinals keeps dropping like this and drops down below the main support level at 44, it's probably over. And we're probably going to see a pretty big crash down to 35 and potentially all the way down to $30. All right, so that's what we're waiting for. Well, technically, that's all you need to know. All right. Now, obviously, I know a lot of you also want to have my opinion on what I think is most likely. And I must say I'm leaning towards the bearish scenario. At some point of time, it's over. And usually with these manipulated rallies, the moment we get bearish confirmation or a bearish breakout, usually it's over. Now, obviously, if Bitcoin continues to be bullish and heads up to 47,000, Ordinals will probably head up higher as well. But I'm also thinking we get a bit of a pullback from Bitcoin, so that altogether leads me to believe a bearish breakout is more likely. But like I said, I mean, I will not do anything until we get a breakout. All right, so until then, I'm technically neutral on Ordinals. But those are my thoughts. All right, so if you do have any questions, then let me know down in the comments. But for now, thank you for watching. Have a great day, and bye.